Kolbe is known for quality, craftsmanship, customization, and attention to detail. We pride ourselves on providing solutions to homeowners, builders, architects, and designers. As a leader with innovative products and extensive capabilities, we embody our tagline, "We're for the visionaries." For over 70 years, Kolbe has been crafting custom windows and doors for customers around the world. By following trends in architecture and listening closely to the needs of architects and builders, Kolbe develops products that take building to new levels, with advancements in extraordinary sizes, shapes, and groundbreaking products. We redefine what's possible by constantly reimagining our windows and doors to elevate style, performance, and functionality. Limitless options and custom solutions can be found in Kolbe's made-to-order products. Each window and door is made to order by our team of skilled craftspeople who are passionate about creating distinct products that bring your unique vision to life. Create your vision today at kolbewindows.com.